In this video, I'm going to be explaining it to you about the kmutex.c function and the functions that are involved in it. The kmutex, as it says, is a mutual exclusion parameter which is used for thread synchronization. Basically, when one of the threads is in the critical section of the code, all the other threads have to be outside it. So let's go to the first function, the kmutex init. I've commented out the not implemented part of it, and I've implemented the code as below. The init function basically creates the initializes the mutex variable, which is basically a synchronization variable to manage various threads that are running concurrently. So next, let's move on to the next function, which is the kmutex lock. The kmutex lock is used when one of the thread enters into the critical section of the code, and it locks the critical section such that no other thread can enter it when this thread is already inside it, unless and until it unlocks the mutex, such that the other threads can now enter their critical section code. So the kmutex unlock is defined over here, and let's move on to the next function, which is the kmutex unlock. Before that, let's see the kmutex lock cancelable, which is basically the same kmutex lock, but which is a cancelable one, such that when one of the threads is in the critical section code, other threads can make this thread exit the critical section, and they can enter the critical section of the code. So basically, as the name explains, it's a cancelable lock of the synchronization variable. Next, let's move to the kmutex unlock. The unlocks is right opposite to the lock function, where when one of the threads is in the critical section, they can exit the critical section by calling the unlock function, such that when they exit, the other thread's lock function is unlocked and they can enter their critical section. In this way, the synchronization process is successful between various threads running concurrently. Thank you.